Ever dreamt of turning your passion for writing into a revenue stream? Discover the blueprint of monetizing an online magazine where every word you pen down could echo with earnings. Stay tuned to unveil the journey of editorial earnings. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're unraveling the blueprint to turning digital ink into dollars with your own online magazine. Stay tuned till the end, as every minute will edge you closer to making those editorial earnings a reality. Now let's delve into the world of editorial earnings and set your words on a lucrative voyage. Creating an online magazine is an exhilarating venture, blending passion for writing with the potential of earning money. This digital domain has opened up new realms for aspiring writers and readers, making content consumption a breeze. High-quality content is the heart of your online magazine. It's about providing value, engaging stories, and insightful articles that resonate with your readers. Remember, the content you produce is the magnet that attracts a readership, paving the way for monetization. Tailoring content to your audience's preferences is crucial. It's about diving into their world, understanding their needs, and crafting content that speaks to them. Your aim should be to establish a rapport with your readers, making your online magazine a go-to place for them. In the digital realm, visibility is key, and that's where SEO comes into play. It's the vehicle that drives your online magazine to the forefront on search engines, making it easily discoverable by readers. By mastering the art of SEO, you're setting the stage for increased traffic and higher engagement. Incorporating relevant keywords is an SEO strategy that works like a charm. These are the magic words that readers use to search for content. By sprinkling these keywords naturally within your content, you're enhancing the likelihood of ranking higher on search engines. But beware of the trap of overusing keywords. It's a delicate balance where quality content takes precedence over keyword stuffing. Aim for a keyword density of 2-4%, ensuring a natural flow that enhances the reader's experience. Monetization of your online magazine demands a diversified approach. It's not about putting all your eggs in one basket, but exploring various avenues to generate revenue. This way, you're not only maximizing your earnings, but also cushioning against unforeseen risks. Advertising is a common route to revenue. Display ads, where advertisers pay for ad space on your website, is a straightforward way to earn money. Partnering with ad networks like Google AdSense or engaging directly with advertisers could be your ticket to steady income. Native advertising is another avenue, offering a less intrusive experience for your readers. These ads are designed to blend seamlessly with your content, making them less obvious and more engaging for the readers. Discovering something new? Ensure the discovery continues. Hit subscribe, give a thumbs up, and ring the bell to unlock more revelations. Intrigued for more? Let's proceed. Sponsored content is where you partner with brands to feature their products or services within your magazine. It's a win-win scenario where you earn money while providing valuable content to your readers. Just ensure to label sponsored content clearly to maintain transparency and credibility. Affiliate marketing is a revenue-generating powerhouse. By promoting products relevant to your niche, you earn commissions for every purchase made through your unique affiliate link. It's a subtle way of earning money while providing value to your readers. The concept of subscriptions and memberships opens up a realm of possibilities. By offering premium content behind a paywall, you're inviting readers to be part of an exclusive club. It's about building a community of loyal readers who see value in what you offer. A strong social media presence is like having a loudspeaker in the digital world. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are your playgrounds to promote your online magazine, interact with readers, and build a following that's excited about your content. Optimizing your social media profiles is like rolling out a red carpet for your readers. It's about creating a pathway that leads readers straight to your online magazine. Engaging visuals, compelling captions, and active interactions are the tools to keep your audience hooked. Engagement is a two-way street. Responding to comments, asking questions, and acknowledging your followers creates a sense of community. It's about making your followers feel valued. which in turn fosters a loyal readership. The digital world thrives on collaborations. Teaming up with other content creators or influencers within your niche can skyrocket your visibility. Guest posting or having influential individuals contribute to your magazine can attract a new wave of readers, boosting your online presence. Collaborations extend beyond written content. Partnering with photographers, videographers, or podcasters can add a diverse flavor to your magazine. It's about offering a rich, multimedia experience that captivates your readers. In conclusion, running an online magazine is a journey of creativity, engagement, and monetization. By focusing on high-quality content, effective SEO strategies, diversified revenue streams, a robust social media presence, and collaborative ventures, you're setting the stage for a profitable online magazine venture. The digital revolution is here, offering a canvas for you to unleash your creativity, share your passion for writing, and earn money along the way. It's about embarking on a rewarding venture that not only fulfills your creative desires, but also offers a financial reward. Still tuned in? Your devotion is about to be richly rewarded. Dive into a free ebook and uncover the secrets of the most lucrative online business to spark into life today. Yet your journey doesn't pause there. Following your ebook exploration, a thrilling 15-day challenge stands ready, exquisitely carved for this digital endeavor. With veteran mentors, earth-shattering insights, and a toolbox bursting with essential resources, your path to online triumph is illuminated. Feel the adrenaline? Move with velocity! Smash the link in the description now and springboard yourself into a galaxy of digital triumph. We're cashing out from today's e-earning lesson. Tried the strategy, questions, successes? Share below. Found the financial tips handy? Click that like button with vigor. Want to keep the cash advice coming? Subscribe and bang the bell to stay in the money-making loop. Hold on, see that new video on screen? It packs another punch of financial wisdom. Click through, let's continue to boost those online earnings together. Until our wallets meet again.